Now, theorem number 7 and the last property of the parallelogram. It is a converse theorem of this theorem which we did in theorem 6. Converse, I will again tell you, converse means whatever is given in the basic theorem, in the converse we have to prove that. Whatever is to prove in basic theorem, in the converse, that will be given. So before this theorem, it was diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other. But this time we have a quadrilateral. See, if diagonals of a quadrilateral bisect each other, then it is a parallelogram. देखो बेटा, ये एक कंडीशन है, इफ एंड देन. जो पहला हिस्सा इसका है वो गिवन है और जो दूसरा हिस्सा है वो हमें प्रूव करना है. फर्स्ट पार्ट ऑफ द थ्योरम इज इन दिस कंडीशन इफ डायगोनल्स ऑफ ए क्वाड्रिलेटरल बाइसेक्ट ईच अदर. अगर किसी भी क्वाड्रिलेटरल की डायगोनल्स बाइसेक्ट करती हैं तो हमें प्रूव करके देना है, देन द क्वाड्रिलेटरल शुड बी अ पैरेललोग्राम. आई विल शो यू. At the end of day, we have to prove this quadrilateral is a parallelogram. So I will draw it as a parallelogram is ABCD. Parallelogram का मतलब होता है अगर opposite sides parallel होंगे वही parallelogram है. ये ABCD एक quadrilateral है इस थ्योरम के हिसाब से. AC and BD are its diagonals which bisect each other such that AO is equal to CO, BO is equal to DO. This is given this time. आइब्रोम की थ्योरम में उसको ऐसे प्रूव, लेकिन इस वक्त ये गिवन है. इससे पहले वाली थ्योरम में ABCD था पैरेललोग्राम, लेकिन इस वक्त हमें इसको प्रूव करना है इट इज अ पैरेललोग्राम. So I will write in this question what is given. ABCD is a quadrilateral in which diagonals AC and BD intersect each other at O such that ये इंटरसेक्शन कैसे होता है? AO is equal to BO CO and BO is equal to DO. What I have to prove here? I have to prove ABCD is a parallelogram. ये quadrilateral उस वक्त parallelogram होगा जब ये AB DC के साथ parallel होगा और BC AD के साथ parallel होगा. तो मैं एक प्रूफ लिखूंगा इसके लिए बिल्कुल इस तरह. I will take first these two triangles. In two triangles AOB and COD, AOB COD, these two triangles first. मैं लिखूंगा AO इस ट्रायंगल का साइड AO इस ट्रायंगल के साइड CO के बराबर है. AO is equal to CO. How they are equal? Because it is given. From this very triangle I will take side BO. And this side BO is equal to the side DO of this triangle. BO is equal to DO. And the reason for both the two statements is it is given. मैंने इससे पहले भी कहा कि जब दो ट्रायंगल्स को आपने कॉन्ग्रुएंट करना होता है उनमें तीन इक्वालिटीज आनी चाहिए. दो इक्वालिटीज तो आ गई और तीसरी इक्वालिटी ये है. Angle AOB is equal to angle COD. These are the vertically opposite angles. Angle AOB is equal to angle COD and the reason is vertically opposite angles. तो ये आती है तीन इक्वालिटीज इनमें. Therefore triangle AOB is congruent to triangle COD by SAS. When triangles are congruent, corresponding parts are equal. I will show you those parts. Angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Therefore, angle 1 is equal to Angle 2, reason is CBCT, corresponding parts of congruent triangles. But these are alternate interior angles. आपको लाइन्स और एंगल्स में पढ़ा है आपने. If alternate interior angles are equal, then lines are parallel. ये कौन से दो लाइन्स पर आते हैं? But these are alternate interior angles between AB and DC. AB and DC. Therefore, AB parallel DC. This is number 1. अब ये दो ट्रायंगल मैंने कॉन्ग्रुएंट करने हैं. नाउ इन टू ट्रायंगल्स कौन से दो? BOC एंड DOA. देखो बेटा, BO is equal to DO. This is already given. You just see it. उसके बाद CO is equal to AO. CO is equal to AO, and the reason for both is given. Third equality, angle BOC is equal to angle DOA. Angle BOC is equal to angle DOA. The reason is vertically opposite angles. ये आते हैं 3 equalities in these two triangles. Therefore, triangle BOC congruent triangle DOA by SAS. जैसे यहां पर किया आपने. When these two triangles are congruent, their corresponding parts are also equal. So angle 3 will be equal to angle 4. Therefore, angle 3 is equal to angle 4. The reason is CPCT. फिर से देखिए 3 और 4 ये कौन से एंगल्स बिटवीन BC एंड AD? Alternate interior angles. But these are alternate interior angles between BC and AD. Therefore, BC parallel AD. Number 2. Now compare number 1 and number 2. In number 1, you proved AB parallel DC, and in number 2, you proved BC parallel AD. So it means these you proved opposite sides of quadrilateral are parallel. Hence it is a parallelogram, and you will write here from 1 and 2 we get ABCD is a parallelogram. Thank you very much. I hope you have got it.